All right, this is a quick video walking you through the basics of 223. So if you were having a hard time with this one and got stuck, this will basically show you how you could have done it and what the answers would be. Now there's going to be multiple answers for these, so I'm just giving you a couple. If you have something different, that doesn't mean it's wrong, but I just want to make sure you understand how you could come up with a couple of them. So the first one, you're trying to represent negative 2x in two different ways. So I would think the natural first one would just be to do two negative x tiles. So if I just did with the little x's in them. So this is two negative x tiles, or if I just said, well, I have a negative x and I have another negative x, and two negative x's together is negative 2x. So that matches my problem up here. Another way to do it is to think about the negative sign being the opposite of. So if I put down in the bottom region a positive x tile and another positive x tile, looking at those just by themselves, that would be 2x, but again, the negative sign means the opposite of. So what is the opposite of x? Well, it's negative x. What is the opposite of 2x? It would be negative 2x. All right. For the next one, the first way I would see this would be to write or draw exactly like it is in the problem. I have three x tiles, and then I have the opposite, or the negative, so I'm going to put it down here. Well, what am I going to put down here? I'm going to put this down here. So then I would simply just draw negative 4 on the bottom. Now, again, there's lots of different ways I could do the second one here. But going back to last year, the idea that when we have something like negative or subtract negative 4, if we think of negative being the opposite, what is the opposite of negative 4? Well, the opposite of negative 4 would be positive 4. So this is the same thing as this. So another way you could have drawn letter B, we can keep our 3 x's just like they are. And if we put positive 4 on the top, that is the same thing. And we can kind of see that because if we think again about this, what is the opposite of negative 4? Well, the opposite of negative 4 is just 4, which is exactly what this represents here.